Hi, my name is Chris Turner. I'm the owner of Radical Transformation and also the course facilitator for the Lean Transformation training courses available through this website. In this short video, I'd like to give an overview of step 10 of my 10-step training and implementation model, which is Lean Supply Chain. So first of all, why is this important? Why is it even in the 10-step model? Well, from step 1 through step 9, the organization has been internally focused. That is, looking at their own procedures, their own processes and activities. Now, at this level, we've got to start to move our focus outside of the organization. Now, that doesn't mean that in the other steps you didn't look at some of these. You probably did. But now we've got to take a real serious look, because you've improved your internal processes to the point where if you don't start to work with suppliers and customers, you could overwhelm your suppliers and underwhelm your customers by not delivering things on time every time. Remember, every organization is only as good as the suppliers are at delivering the parts or materials that they need in order to build the parts that you need to give to your customers. If your suppliers fail, you fail to deliver to your customers, and your customers fail to deliver to their customers. So it's a knock-on effect, and we need to make sure that that doesn't happen. So you can't improve one area of a supply chain and not look at the other areas, because it's not going to work. You're going to underwhelm or overwhelm another area. Again, it's part of the value stream, or the supply chain is. The other thing we look at is relationships between suppliers and organizations, and also customers and organizations, and how we can match the supplier demand with the customer demand to make sure that everybody's on the same page and working in unison, so that if I want 10 parts or 10 pieces or 10 people or whatever it is that I want from a supplier, I get those as and when I need them, not when they think it's okay for them to deliver them to me. When the customer wants 1 part or 10 parts or 100 parts, I have those available in my organization to be able to give them the parts and pieces that they need as and when they need it. So this is important. So step 10 is really getting into some detail about how we interact with suppliers and what we can do to tie our own systems into their systems, and also to tie our systems into customers' systems. Again, I don't want to go into too much detail in this particular video because I want to keep it as short as possible, but the training course is very detailed in terms of how we look at that. So anyway, I hope one day to see you in one of my Lean Transformation training courses, and I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video, and until then, take care.